How to fix smart photos on Tinder not responding or rotating. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if smart photos are not responding or refreshing. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your smart photos on Tinder are not rotating or refreshing itself, first of all, whenever you open the Tinder app and then you come to your profile, if you have added some of the pictures over here, and Smart Photos is basically a feature that is going to continually test all of your profile photos to find the best one. And if you've enabled this and it is not refreshing for you, first of all, this option is not going to refresh for you. It is going to refresh for the other people who are being able to see you on Tinder. So this is like an experimental process that Tinder has. Whenever somebody sees your profile, they will test all of the profiles. If from a certain profile you're getting so many swipes, then Tinder is normally going to put that at the first without actually telling or notifying you. But if it's still not working as expected, you can try to do a couple of things. Try to uninstall and reinstall the Tinder application. But if you can't afford that, you can try to go to your Play Store or your App Store. Try to update the Tinder app to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.